Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iiiF150 Air 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your browser. After entering the browser, we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Delete Browsing Data. So here we've got some basic options which we can remove. So for example, the visited websites, tabs, cookies cache, and other site data. We can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time, and then tap on Delete Data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, simply tap on More Options, and now you can remove. Here we've got the basic options which we had in the previous step, and those are advanced, so saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can change the time range, it's up to you totally, and tap on Delete Data, and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.